So, are you getting ready to hire? That's great news. Are you going to review some resumes and interview some candidates? Nope. That's not how it works anymore. Welcome to Dave Talks Business.
We have Dave Kramer, the founder of All Pro Web Tools.
Dave has worn many hats over the years as a small business owner.
Well, I really feel that small business is the core of the American economy. Amen.
So, you need to hire and you're going to do some interviews. Well, my friend, the world has changed. I'm here to tell you that you are the one being interviewed. Even during a time of high unemployment, myself and many of my small business owner friends have noticed an interesting trend. You may think that you are the only option, but you're not. Many candidates have the option of going back to live with family over working in a job that doesn't suit them. Many more job seekers are more concerned with company mission, work environment, work-life balance, room for advancement, and the team that they will be working with. They have no problem passing up a job offer to wait for something better. And here's the thing. They are pre-screening you. They're looking at your website. They're checking your social media presence, and they're looking at 5-star reviews about what it's like to work for you. Yeah. So how do we as business owners stand out? And how do we attract a great staff? I will show you in this video, but first, I want to show you what I'm talking about.
Anna, what did you say that you did again? I'm so sorry.
I do project management and I manage ads.
Where did you go to school?
I went to Florida Polytechnic University.
Now, who's in control here?
I was just wondering, what would you say that the group dynamic is like?
It's awesome. I'll jump right into it. It's awesome.
Hey guys, nice to meet you. My name's Zoe.
Hey, Zoe.
Hey.
Nice to meet you.
So I want to make it clear here. This is not part of my normal hiring process where I would normally just offer to allow a new candidate to interview my staff. Both of these candidates had already been offered the job and they said they wanted to think about it, and part of that process, they wanted to interview the staff in order to make their decision.
So let me ask, let's kind of go down one at a time if you don't mind. How long have you guys been with All Pro Web Tools? Liza?
I've been here for 3 months.
Cool. All right.
Is he taking notes?
You're currently creating content for All Pro Web Tools. Mostly, you're handling sort of the customer support.
Correct. Mm-hmm.
Cool. All right. So, Dave, my question to you to open up the day is: you're looking to kind of expand.
So, what if I did research before working here? If the information I found was accurate or not? It was very accurate, and I researched a lot. Within the minute that he said I can come and be an intern here, I was literally searching everything I could.
Did you hear that? She researched everything.
And everything that I found was, oh, it's a great place to be, the people are amazing, and their priority is to help people instead of just making money. So yeah, I did find really good things and positive things about this company.
Now here's the thing. Everything that she found when researching our company was what I wanted her to find. Now, I'm not saying that these were lies. We do have a great work environment, as I'm sure you do as well. I just left things laying around on the internet where I knew they'd be run across. The challenge is you need to know how to tell the world how great your company is, and leave these little breadcrumbs on the internet for these millennial new hires to find. This is what I'm going to show you. But first, can you just put a yes in the comments below for me? And while you're at it, you can always go ahead and like this video and consider subscribing. It actually really helps out my channel. Thanks. So before I can show you the solutions, let me show you how to find what people are saying about what it is like to work for your company.
All right, so this is how it's done. This is a website called Glassdoor. And what they do is they accept 5-star reviews from your previous employees. And other people who are considering working for you can come here to look at all the reviews that have been left for your company. Look at this. They even record how much you pay and whether or not you have benefits.
Okay, so now the strategies. The first one being Glassdoor. It's actually pretty simple. Many people only go through the trouble of leaving a review when they're upset. So your rating is going to skew lower. So the trick is simple. When your team has been working with you for a few months and they're having a really good day, ask them to leave you a review that day. The second tip that I have for you is to take lots of photos, lots of videos of your team doing all kinds of different activities. And you can even set these activities up, like you can have food delivered to the office and you can take pictures of everybody eating the food. And my third is to post happy team pictures and videos of the team goofing off and put these on your company business page. And the fourth one I want to show you is how to really get candidates excited about working for your company. Let's take a look at that.
So here's what I do. If you go to the bottom of my website, there is a link that says Now Hiring. And when you click this link, this takes you to the Now Hiring page where you can see the different job openings that are available. Now, of course, we all know about SEO for marketing purposes, but what about SEO for attracting new talent? This is a page that's always up, even if I'm not currently hiring, and it has Apply Now buttons. If they click the Apply Now button, they are presented with a well-structured page that shows the job title, what the pay range is, a little description about it, and also has videos of what it's like to do that job. And of course, there's the application over here on the right, and we keep it very simple. It's just name, email, and phone. And what happens as soon as they fill this out is they get a response in their email asking them to reply to the email with their resume. This helps you to weed out people who are not really serious. So here you'll see a brief description, and that's the key thing, guys. It's brief. This is not paragraphs of information. This is just the same as having bullet points because nobody reads the internet these days. They want to skim. So as they skim down, they see the primary responsibilities, required skills. Okay, I got that. I'm going to go up here and I'm going to apply. Now, when we go back to this hiring page, there's something else very key that I want to point out to you. What it's like to work here. When you click on this, you are taken to blog article after blog article after blog article of all the different people that we've hired over the years. And these are stories written by these hires. And so we'll go ahead and click on one of these. So what I typically do is I wait about 4 weeks after a new hire has started their job, and I'll ask them to write a little story about what their first 4 weeks was like. And I want them to write it as if they were talking to somebody who's considering working for the company. Now you'll notice we take lots of pictures with them and we try to show what it's like at the job. And this is breadcrumbs for anyone who's thinking about working at your company. And we've got story after story like this. Now, doesn't this look like a company that's fun to work for? So I've also done this with some of my coaching clients. So here we have a company that's hiring for some positions. So we'll go ahead and look at some of those page layouts. So again, you get a real good feel for what the job is going to be like, and you can apply. And here's another example of a landing page that is targeted toward millennials who are researching your company.
Now, the way that you use these hiring pages is by linking to them from job boards, Chamber of Commerce, hiring websites, Craigslist, wherever you post about your job openings. Now, all of these hires that researched our company, maybe it's not such a bad thing. They were all eventually hired and they have been model employees. Maybe it is better to have the candidate choose you. They stick around because they did their research and they were convinced that this was the right job for them. They're enthusiastic, they show up on time, and they actually add their own thoughts to help improve our business. Hey, thanks for watching. So how did I do? Let me know in the comments below. And if you have an idea for a video I should do in the future, you can put that in the comments too. I also have a free small business resource toolkit available on my website. You can find the link in the description below. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. And you can also subscribe right here. And there's another great video that will help your small business right here.